You have probably heard this before. Use serif fonts for print and sans serif fonts for screens. But is that actually true? A lot of designers believe serif fonts are easier to read. But is that fact or just a design myth? Let's find out. First, let's understand the difference. Serif fonts have small strokes or little feet at the end of letters, like Times New Roman. Sans serif simply means without serif, so the letters have clean, smooth lines like Arial or Helvetica. Serif fonts have been around for hundreds of years. They were inspired by letters carved into stone. Later, when computers and low resolution screens became common, sans serif fonts became more popular because they looked cleaner on the screen. Now, here's the interesting part. Research don't show one font type is always easier to read. Some studies slightly favor serif for printed books, others favor sans serif on screens, and many studies found almost no difference at all. If readability isn't the biggest difference, then what is it? It's the feeling. Serif font feels classic, professional, and trustworthy. Sans serif fonts feel modern, clean, and friendly. That's why different brands choose different styles. So don't choose a font just because of an old rule. Choose the one that matches the message you want to share. Which style do you like more, serif or sans serif? Let me know in the comments.